Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today, I'll be cooking the classic Filipino-style spaghetti. Let's start cooking! In a pot or pan of boiling water, add your salt. Cook your pasta according to the package instructions. Don't forget to reserve some pasta water. We will use this pasta water to revive our cold pasta later. Drain your pasta and set it aside. Using the same pan, add some oil. First, we will sweat our onions. Add your minced garlic next. Keep sauteing your onions and garlic for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll dump in our ground beef. Season with salt and pepper. We have time for one knock-knock. Knock-knock, who's there? Pasta. Pasta who? Pasta kasama kita. Lahat magagawa. I like my spaghetti sweet and spicy, so I'm adding chili flakes. This is optional. Mix everything together. Once your ground beef is cooked, add your hot dogs or sausages. Let it cook for 15 minutes. It's time to add our Filipino-style spaghetti sauce. This sauce is sweet and perfect for kids. Let's simmer our spaghetti sauce for 30 minutes to marry all the ingredients. Assemble your pasta, top your pasta with the spaghetti sauce, and add your grated cheese. Enjoy this classic Filipino-style meaty and cheesy spaghetti. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.